In today's video, I'm going to show you exactly how to use Webflow templates step by step, even if you're a complete beginner. Webflow templates are an amazing way to build professional websites quickly without starting from scratch. And by the end of this video, you'll know how to find, preview, use, and customize a Webflow template the right way. If you find this tutorial helpful, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe to the channel for more Webflow and software tutorials. All right, let's jump right in. First, open your browser and go to the Webflow dashboard. Once you're logged into your Webflow account, you'll land on the Sites section. This is where all of your existing projects live, and it's also where you'll create new sites using templates. Next, look at the top navigation and click on Marketplace. The Marketplace is where Webflow hosts templates, libraries, and other resources created by Webflow and third-party designers. After that, click on Templates. This will take you to the full Webflow template library, where you can browse hundreds of templates designed for different use cases, like portfolios, business websites, SaaS products, blogs, and e-commerce stores. Now, take some time to choose a template that fits your project. You can filter templates by category, industry, style, or price. Some templates are free, while others are paid, so make sure you choose one that matches both your needs and your budget. Once you find a template you like, click on it and then click on Preview in Browser. This step is really important because it lets you see how the template looks and feels before you commit to using it. Scroll through the pages, check the layout, and imagine how your own content will fit into the design. If you want to explore other options, simply go back to the Templates page and preview a few more designs. Comparing templates helps you choose the one that best aligns with your brand and goals. When you're ready, click on Use for Free or Purchase Template, depending on the template you selected. Webflow will then prompt you to create a new site using that template. Next, click on Create Site. Webflow will ask you to name your site, so enter a name that makes sense for your project. This name is mainly for your internal dashboard, so you can always change it later if needed. Once the site is created, Webflow will open the designer. This is where the real magic happens. From here, you can start editing the template however you want. You can change text, images, colors, layouts, and sections to match your brand. You can also add new pages, remove sections you don't need, and fully customize the design without writing code. Take your time exploring the designer and getting comfortable with how Webflow works. The more you experiment, the easier it becomes to turn a template into a completely custom website. And that's it. That's how you use Webflow templates from start to finish. If this video helped you, don't forget to hit the like button and subscribe for more easy-to-follow Webflow tutorials. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.